Prepaid Fleet Manager account setup. To begin, you will receive an email from support@LYNK.com. Select Complete Registration. Activate login by creating a password, then select Proceed. Review the terms of use and privacy policy. Fill out the account information that is needed. Once the account information is filled in, select Submit. Continue by pressing Next in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Review the terms of use and accept. The account is prepaid, but a card still needs to be on file. Specify your bank card details and press Confirm. The screen will then show the serial number of the auto agent, device that was shipped, and the plan that was purchased. The account is now ready for vehicles and drivers. Follow the next steps to add vehicles and drivers to the account. You will begin by going to Settings, Manage Employees. Select Invite Employee to allow employees the ability to manage the account if desired. A new screen will show the information that is needed to invite the employee. Complete the name and email information and press Send Invitation. The employee will receive an email from support@LYNK.com, which will walk them through registration. The employee will verify their information and then review and accept the terms of use and the privacy policy. That completes the employee steps. Invite drivers by selecting the person or driver's icon in the main menu. Select Invite Driver on the right-hand side. A screen will appear showing the information that is needed for the driver. Once the information is completed, send invitation. The employee will receive an email from support@LYNK.com that will walk them through registration. They will select Complete Registration. The driver will then complete registration and a new screen will appear. The driver will complete the information and press Submit. The driver will then receive confirmation their registration is complete. They will then be prompted to download the ELD app. Below, other documentation is supplied for further information if needed. To add a vehicle to the account, select the truck or vehicle's icon in the main menu. A new screen will appear. Select Add Vehicle, complete the vehicle information that is needed, and select Done. The Prepaid Fleet Manager account setup is now complete.